Hey, what's going on guys, this is Andropunk here, and yes, it's been a very long time since I last uploaded a video on my channel. But we are back again with yet another edition of the top 5 Android apps. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. The first app on our list is Papers. Papers is a simple wallpaper app with a minimal and a rather good looking UI with tons of wallpapers to choose from for your device. The app categorizes the wallpapers into 20 different folders, each titled properly. It also consists of a separate category for all the trending wallpapers, which includes the stock wallpapers of the iPhone XS, the iPhone XS Max and the recently released OnePlus 60 wallpapers. This is a must-have app in my opinion for everyone who likes to keep changing their wallpaper on a daily basis. The next app on my list is Candycons. Candycons is a normal icon pack which consists of materialistic icons for almost every app on your device. The app is still in development and updates are passed thoroughly. Candycons UI is pretty basic. It consists of around 1000 icons along with 20 to 30 wallpapers from unsplash.com. The developer keeps on adding new icons and wallpapers. The users can also suggest icons to the developer for further updates. In my opinion, this is a basic app for icon packs and you should totally give it a try. The third app on our list is a launcher. Tripp is a rather unusual launcher as most of the launchers provide you with an array of options for customization, whereas Tripp is its own boss. Although there's no complaining here, since everything you need is already served on a plate. With the most used apps up front followed by the dialer, the app drawer, weather and a tab for music too. You can also tweak around the theme color of the app and follow through some settings. And as I mentioned earlier, there's nothing to customize here, and that's the unique way of Tripp Launcher. The next app on our list is a music player, and not a ordinary ones. The N7 is unique in its own way. Upon opening the app, you're greeted with a spam of song artists which are in your device already. You might think that this is not at all organized, but once you tap on a song artist, it displays all the songs under their name by zooming into it. Well, that's something new. You can group it as artist or genre as you wish. Also, the users can tick around with the music with the help of the equalizer, and there are much settings to mess around. Last but not the least, this app is for all the Instagram influencers and the designers out there who want to edit a photo with ease. This simple app can help you make a poster within seconds. You just need to upload a desired photo, add text, you choose the font, then choose the color of the text as well as the background, and it's done. You can add grids, frames and the watermark of the poster art app itself. Just save it to a gallery and bam, it's Instagram ready. So these were the top 5 apps of November 2018. All the links of the apps are down below as usual. Do check them out and see you in the next video. Peace.